Tired of spending hours building N8n workflows from scratch? Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of AI-powered workflow generation, where Claude, the helpful AI assistant, builds N8n workflows for you automatically. First, clearly define your desired automation in natural language. Think of it as explaining your needs to a tech-savvy friend. Be specific. The more details you provide, the better Claude can understand your requirements. For example, tell Claude you want to create a workflow that automatically saves new tweets from a specific user to a Google Sheet. Now, paste your description into Claude. Watch as Claude magically translates your words into a fully functional N8n workflow. You'll see the necessary nodes, like a Twitter trigger and a Google Sheets node, instantly appear on your canvas. Next, it's time to customize the generated workflow. Refine each node by adding your specific credentials, choosing the exact data you want to transfer, and fine-tuning any other settings. For the Twitter trigger, you'd enter the specific username. For the Google Sheets node, you'd select your desired spreadsheet. Finally, test your workflow. Click that Execute Workflow button and confirm that your automation is running smoothly. Make any final adjustments and you're good to go. So, say goodbye to tedious workflow creation. Leverage the power of AI with Claude to generate N8n workflows in seconds, dramatically boosting your productivity and automation capabilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing N8n tips and tricks.